In the last video we uploaded these 5 photos to our website, and as you can see, if I click on them, click again here, these photos are huge. They're print quality. I took them right from my camera and uploaded them onto my website. Now this is nice because people can actually copy photos from your website and then print them out if they want to. But if you're going to be doing a lot of photos, you might not want to do it that way. If I go to my back room, I can see that those 5 photographs have taken up 2.28 megabytes on my website. And I've got 1,000 megabytes, so that means, I could probably upload about 2,000 photos from my camera. Your camera might take larger photos, might be a little bit less. But 2,000 photos, that's plenty of space. But if I'm also going to be uploading audio files and other things onto my website, I might want to find a way to preserve some space. And one really nifty way to do that is to go into your settings, go to media, and here we have a section called image sizes. And we see that our thumbnails are 150 pixels by 150 pixels, medium is 300, large is 609, and full size it says is 0. Now when we have full size as 0, that means that the website is not going to resize photos when I upload them. If we want the website to automatically resize photos, shrink them down when I upload them so that I don't have these huge files sitting on my website, I can just put in a number here. And you might want to go with 609 pixels, which is the width of your web page. Or you might want to go a little bit larger. I'm going to go with 1,000 for my max width and 1,000 for my max height. And I'm going to go to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Now when I go to my images, so I'm going to create a new post and upload a photo real quick. I'm going to upload a different one that we haven't uploaded yet. Get this one right here. My photo has uploaded, and I see down here, if I scroll down, that the full size is 1,000 pixels by 750 pixels. So that means that that is the full size of this photo on my website. It's actually resized it. So if you don't want people to be printing your pictures out, if you don't care if they do, go ahead and change this in your settings. It'll save you some space on your website.